Hello, my name is Martin Moore and today we are going to learn the juggling trick known as the windmill. The windmill. It looks like this. I hope you agree it's a nice looking trick. And as usual with 3 balls, in order to learn the trick, we will start with just 1 ball. What I would like you to do is to practice just throwing it under your outstretched arm. Put your arm more or less where it will be when you're juggling. And just practice throwing under your arm. Go and have a quick practice of that, come straight back. You've done under the arm with 1 ball. Let's try it with 3. Just simply throw 1 ball under your arm. If you find that you're able to do it easily, do every ball under the same arm. Swap sides, every ball under the same arm. Under the arm, under the arm. Have a quick practice of under the arm with 3 balls. Next we're going to do 1 ball going over the top. It looks like this. It's also the juggling pattern that leads us into juggler's tennis. If you have not yet learned juggler's tennis, it's a good trick to learn. It's in one of my other videos. Go and check it out. So now we can do under the arm. And we can also do over the top. We can do it on both sides. Let's put it together. It all happens on one side to start with. Under the arm, over the top. Under the arm, over the top. Under the arm, over the top. The ball that goes under my arm, the next ball after that goes over the top. Go and have a practice, see how you get on. So hopefully now you can do under, over, under, over. And all we do to do the windmill is we keep doing it all the time. It looks like this. Under, over. And that is the windmill on the right hand side. On the left hand side is exactly the same. Under, over. And that is the trick known as the windmill. I hope you think it's a nice trick. I hope you've enjoyed learning it with me today. Hit subscribe, leave me a comment, come back and watch some more videos. My name is Martin Moore and this has been a trick tutorial.